Did you know that humans spend roughly 1/3 of their lives sleeping? That's right, out of a lifespan of 90 years, we spend around 30 of those years asleep. But why do we need to sleep so much? Sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. It allows our bodies to rest and repair, and helps us consolidate memories and process emotions. Without enough sleep, we become irritable, forgetful, and even at risk for serious health problems like heart disease and diabetes. Sleep is essential for maintaining good physical and mental health. Scientific research has shown that lack of sleep can have negative effects on our immune system, metabolism, cognitive function, and emotional well-being. During sleep, our body repairs and rejuvenates itself, allowing us to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. It also plays a crucial role in memory consolidation and learning, as well as regulating our mood and emotions. The sleep cycle consists of 5 stages that occur in a recurring pattern throughout the night. The first 4 stages are non-REM, NREM, sleep, while the 5th stage is REM sleep. NREM sleep can be further divided into 3 stages, with each stage becoming progressively deeper and more restful. During NREM sleep, our body repairs and regenerates tissues, strengthens the immune system, and releases hormones necessary for growth and development. REM sleep, on the other hand, is characterized by rapid eye movements and vivid dreams. It plays a crucial role in memory consolidation, emotional regulation, and learning. REM sleep also helps to restore brain function and improve cognitive performance. Getting enough sleep has been linked to a range of benefits for our physical and mental health. One of the most important benefits is improved memory. During sleep, our brains consolidate memories and process information from the day, which helps us to remember things better in the long term. Another benefit of sleep is increased creativity. Studies have shown that people who get enough sleep are more likely to come up with innovative solutions to problems and think outside the box. This is because sleep helps to enhance our ability to make connections between seemingly unrelated ideas. Sleep deprivation can have serious consequences on our physical and mental health. It can impair cognitive function, including memory, attention, and decision-making abilities. Additionally, it can lead to mood disturbances, such as irritability and depression. Research has also shown that sleep deprivation can increase the risk of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. This is because lack of sleep disrupts the balance of hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism, leading to overeating and weight gain. In conclusion, we have learned that sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. It helps to improve memory, creativity, and emotional regulation, while also reducing the risk of developing chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Additionally, we have seen how sleep deprivation can have negative effects on our overall well-being, including increased stress levels, decreased cognitive function, and a weakened immune system. Therefore, it is important to prioritize getting enough sleep each night. This means aiming for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, establishing a consistent sleep schedule, and creating a relaxing sleep environment. By doing so, we can reap the benefits of a good night's sleep and improve our overall quality of life. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.